Alright guys, today is Sunday and we're out for a evening walk down here actually in Hensonville area. Right here I'm going to show you where we're at. Here's the Hensonville Plaza. I actually did a walk down that way, or from that way down this way, but it's the Hensonville Plaza and we are walking this way tonight. So, alright guys, I got to show you this quick. This is the trike, well it's a trike stand, or it's the trike line right here. And this is the trike line CR. There's a hole in there. I'm not going to walk in there because it stinks. There's actually a hole there connected to a pipe. And then the pipe drains down into the, well, it drains down into the underground water system, sewage system, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that is a trike line bathroom, CR, whatever you want to call it. Universal, men and women could possibly use it. Yeah. Foot spa.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's like 100 pesos.
100 pesos for a foot spa.
Yeah, it's better than 10.
Yeah. So you come down here in these small little areas here, you get better prices, foot spas and back massages and, you know, things like that. There's a puppy. Hi, puppy. Little market here. Dry fish. No dry fish for me.
That's not dry fish.
There was dry fish in there.
Oh, yeah. Some of them is not dry fish. We call it tinapa. That's a fish that we use, we decook it, that's smoke. So we call it tinapa.
Right.
This is tilapia. I guess they will have a
grilled tilapia there. Here's your manok. Leche manok. Oh. Got the fish on the grill. What kind of fish? What kind of fish? Milkfish. Milkfish. All right. I'm gonna take a walk up over the bridge here. More manok. Chamanok, liempo. Chamanok, liempo. I just fired up these grills, so usually in the evening they get these grills going, right?
Yeah.
A lot of people come and buy this manok in the evening.
Yeah,
so.
But this place also is reasonable, because if you buy this one where I used to buy, it's supposed to be like 170.
Right.
And liempo is 130.
Oh, it's cheaper. Yeah. I say you come to these smaller areas here and things tend to be a little cheaper than, you know, up around the tourist area, up down around MacArthur. Here's another feed place here.
Yeah.
Sell a lot of feed. Chickens and pigs and ice right here. Yeah, let's head up over the bridge. We'll head up over this bridge That church there, that was put up, I don't know, 3 years ago or so. Yeah. What's that church called? Watch out for these big old holes here. You'll fall in there. Monster eat you alive. Like the movie It. It's down in there. There's some squatter areas down in here.
Hello.
That's all squatter areas down in there. Actually on the bridge, I don't know the name of the bridge, but this is the bridge that comes out of Hensonville and goes up to the main Palenque market. Got the kids down there playing volleyball and hanging out. Alright, so a week or so ago, I did that other walk over the bridge, and that's that bridge all the way out there. That's MacArthur out there, and now we're up on this bridge out here, or this bridge here, as you can see. More homes down through here. I know it's very windy, very windy. Traffic is light because it's Sunday. Usually all these stores are open, selling things, furniture, I think, charcoal, rice, yeah, I don't know, just a lot of different things they sell here. You can actually walk across the street here. And hello, go the other way. Alright, we're back from walking over the bridge. That's going on. New church, built within the past, I don't know, I'd say 3 years, like I said previously. Beauty salon. There's your car, your yellow car. Bakery. Strike line. Shawarma. All right, so while we're here, we're gonna pick up dinner for this evening. Lechon manok. 165. He says his chickens are bigger than the chickens down the road, so I'm not going to argue about 5 pesos. He's back there cutting it up, whacking it up. There it is, all bagged up and ready to go. So what you got here is you got these tilapia in here. As you can see, they're swimming around. And you order tilapia, and they will take it out of here, fresh, clean it up, gut it up, and then they'll put it on the grill here for you, and they will cook it. It's probably, what, about maybe around 5 o'clock. Tonight, later on, the street will be full of a lot of people eating out here and everything, but yeah, fresh tilapia right here. Check out the prices here. Buy one hamburger sandwich, take one. Hamburger sandwich, 18 pesos. Your prices for hamburgers and hot dogs. I'm not going to say if the meat's any good. Never had a hamburger from here or a hot dog. There's your prices. And they're hiring. All right, guys, the sun's setting now, and we're gonna head home and eat our chicken manok. Luisa told me that area at night really isn't too safe for foreigners up or down there. I can understand why, because it does butt up almost right next to the squatters area, which is underneath the bridge there. So yeah, I don't think it'd be too safe for me to hang out down there. But anyways, guys, if you haven't subscribed, take the time to subscribe, like, share. Just like, choice is always yours. Leave the comments below, and I guess until next time.